This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Smith. Fantastic waterfall pool with a caretaker system makes this house maintenance free. Curb appeal galore inside and out on this 3-bed 2.5 bath 2-car garage plus lots of parking. House has a large screen patio, makes this a great place for all your barbecues, and pool parties are a must. Fun in sun or out of sun, but ceiling fans make my day. This lovely house built in 2006 in a great family area close to a park, schools, restaurants and St Lucie West. House has a large eat-in kitchen with formal dining room. Large great room, exquisite master suite with sitting area, walk-in shower and Whirlpool Spa. A real must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Connie Smith at 772-871-7411.